If you are wondering how to make a boot from something like this to this, so this video is for you. First things first, you've gotta choose what material exactly you would like your boot to be made of. You might think of wood, or metal, or even something else, but we choose compressed foam. But why exactly foam? Well, because it's easy to manipulate, cheaper than wood, and of course metal. On top of that, foam has a very low density, which will make the boot floats fluidly and very smooth. After we choose foam and brought foam blanks, we start to draw our design on the foam to cut them after that with this cutting machine. And if you cannot find a place that has this machine, you can simply do it on your own with a cutter plate or something. We use two layers with a total height of 6.5 centimeters, and we paste them together with the wax glue sticks. After that, we did some sanding to get a better surface finishing. And as you can see, we covered the boot with some plastic papers for a better look, and also paste them like before with the wax glue sticks on the boot surface. Now we have a nice looking boot, but there is no motion until now. We started by putting the motor in the center of the backside and batteries on both sides. And we drilled a hole to pass the motor's shaft. But the problem was how to move the motion from the shaft to the propeller at the bottom. Our idea was to connect two pop-ins, one to the motor's shaft and the other to the propeller, and the propeller is connected to a small shaft. We used a rubber band to work as a belt between the two pop-ins to carry the motion.